This is a quick tutorial that will take you step by step how to mix your saline solution with your medication that comes in a vial in a powder form. Now, your kit will include our needle-free Luer adapters, our needle-free syringes, we also call them nozzles. Now, the demonstration is very easy. Your medication will come in a vial just with the powder. This vial is already mixed with the powder and saline solution, and I will show you how to do it. You take your saline solution that comes sealed and sterile in this pack. I prepared one in advance here and already attached a Luer adapter to that. You can always keep the Luer adapter on. You take a syringe just like the one that comes in your kit. In this demonstration, it's only a small 5 ml one. You fill it up with a bit of air. It'll make it easy for you to draw and mix. You turn it upside down. You push the air in, and then you can see that the saline solution will end up in your syringe. You separate them, put the Luer adapter back on your saline solution for the next use. You take the sterile needle, I prepared one in advance here. You take it, attach it onto your syringe. Take your vial or bottle that has the powder in it, put it inside, and then slowly in short bursts, just fill it up. And when you complete it, in this case, this is a 5 ml vial, not a 10 ml vial. I'll just draw it. You can take it, shake it like this, wrap it with your foil and put it back in the fridge. Now, what you do then is you take your needle-free syringe that comes in this sterile packaging. You first push it in, and then you tent it. You loosen it like that and fill it up with air. You take another Luer adapter or the same Luer adapter that you already have. You hold it by the base, you put it in and firmly twist it until you can't turn it anymore. That means it's secure. You take your needle, you mount it on to the Luer adapter. You can see it has a similar tip to the syringe. Just gently. You go into your medication. The same principle. You will push the air in first. Lower the needle below the water line, and slowly you can see that I'm drawing the desired dose of 1/2 ml. You can see the lines here. There you go, it is complete. Then you turn it the other way around. You separate, close the lid so you can put it back in your fridge. Extract the bubbles gently just by flicking it like this. And there you go, you bring it to the 1/2 ml mark. And now it is ready to be injected.